Unlocking savings, how to find and utilize Amazon discounts. In today's digital age, shopping online has become an integral part of our lives. With the rise of e-commerce giants like Amazon, consumers now have access to an endless array of products at their fingertips. However, with convenience often comes a hefty price tag. Fortunately, savvy shoppers know that with a little bit of effort, significant savings can be unlocked through Amazon discounts. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the various ways you can find and utilize Amazon discounts to make the most out of your online shopping experience. Understanding Amazon discounts. Before we delve into the strategies for finding discounts on Amazon, it's essential to understand the different types of discounts available. Amazon offers various types of discounts to its customers, including promotional discount. These are temporary price reductions offered by Amazon or third-party sellers. They can take the form of percentage discounts, fixed amount discounts, or buy one get one free deals. Coupon codes. Amazon occasionally offers coupon codes that can be applied at checkout for additional savings on select products. These codes are often distributed through promotional emails, social media, or third-party websites. Lightning deals. Lightning deals are limited-time offers on select products with significant discounts. These deals are available for a short period or until the inventory runs out, and they can be found on the Today's Deals page. Subscribe and save. With the Subscribe and Save program, customers can save up to 15% on eligible products by subscribing to regular deliveries. This is particularly useful for frequently purchased items like household essentials and groceries. Strategies for finding Amazon discounts. Now that we have a better understanding of the types of discounts available on Amazon, let's explore some effective strategies for finding them. YendanDigital websites. There are several websites and forums dedicated to sharing the latest Amazon deals and discounts. Websites like RetailMinute, Slick Deals, and Deals Plus aggregate deals from across the web, making it easy to find the best offers. Set up price alerts. Many price tracking tools allow you to set up alerts for specific products on Amazon. You can set your desired price threshold, and the tool will notify you via email or push notification when the price drops below that level. Follow Amazon's social media channels. Amazon often promotes exclusive deals and discounts on its social media channels, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Be sure to follow them to stay informed about the latest offers.